Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store stuck on pending in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and then click on system. Now here you can see the option date and time. Now click on it and first of all turn on set time automatically. If you turn this button off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, then go back to your home screen and open Play Store and then click on any app and then click on install and it will start installing this app. So this is the way to fix Google Play Store stuck on pending in ThinkPhone 25. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.